verify.
When children are prepared for success in school, there's no limit to what they can achieve. ABCmouse.com Early Learning Academy. Proud sponsor of PBS Kids and Ready, Jet, Go.
The Corporation for Public Broadcasting. And by contributions to your PBS station from viewers like you. Thank you. Excelsior!
So far, Earth is the only planet where you can find living things. That's why sometimes it's called the Goldilocks planet, after the story Goldilocks and the Three Bears. Because on Earth, everything is just right for life. It's not too hot, not too cold, and just right with plenty of water.
Cartoon girl dives in a lake.
Remember, you can watch Ready, Jet, Go anytime on PBSkids.org. But now it's time for more fun up next on PBS Kids.
Hey guys, look what I found!
Adventurer, Nature Cat.
Tally-ho!
PBS Kids Backyard Explorer Extraordinaire.
Never fear! Nature Cat is here to save the day!
Whoops. So explore the outdoors with Nature Cat.
Tally-ho!
Weekdays on PBS Kids. Or anytime on the PBS Kids video app.
What is a robot? A robot is a machine that does work all on its own.
You're watching PBS 39, WFWA, Fort Wayne.
Squad.
Just sent you a message about my new lab assistant, Una, me, Olivia, and Otis.
Why are we over here and over there?
The agents argue.
He's zapped into the future.
Odd Squad is made possible in part by
the Heising-Simons Foundation, unlocking knowledge, opportunity, and possibilities, and by the Corporation for Public Broadcasting and viewers like you. Thank you.
My name is Agent Olympia. This is my partner, Agent Otis. This is the missing piece of the puzzle. But back to Otis and me. We work for an organization run by kids that investigates anything strange, weird, and especially odd. Our job is to put things right again.
Otis and Olympia are squashed into balls and fight a mini-storm. Mizzo rides through the halls while Oscar dodges lab techs.
The National Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a tornado warning for southwestern Wells County in northeastern Indiana, northwestern Blackford County in east central Indiana, northeastern Grant County in central Indiana until 5 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:29 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Marion, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. The storm has a history of producing a tornado. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Van Buren around 4:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Roll, Arcana, Home Corner, Mount Zion, McNabbs, Landis, Lakewood, and Hanfield. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 5 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana: Blackford, Grant, and Wells.
Which you can now ignore. Una, me, Olivia, and Otis.
Nice to meet you. Hi. Pleasure is all mine. By the way, Oscar, I was cleaning